Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'll be showing how to dress up like Yakshagana. Already I have made a video on how to make headgear and other accessories of Yakshagana. You can check the link in the description box. For makeup, first apply moisturizer, then foundation, then compact powder. For eyes, you can use eyeliner and kajal, and for white and red, I am using acrylic colors. First, wear black leggings or pant, and on top of it, wear dhoti. If it is of small size, well and good. Here I am using red small dhoti. This is a silk shawl that I had. I just stitched it and made it like a frill skirt. It's not perfect. The stitching is not at all perfect, so please ignore this. Then tie a bun as shown. On top of the dress, if you have white shawl of this kind, you can just use them. I have shown how to make this. You can just check the link in the description box. Next, tie the headgear as shown. I have shown how to make this headgear as well, so you can check the link in the description box. The center cord, tie it to the bun. Next, tie the side cords to the bun. Next, take a shawl. I have this orange shawl. So, cover the bun with the shawl as shown. Pleat the shawl at the sides and then secure using safety pin as shown. This is how it looks after completing. If you like, please subscribe to my channel.